Trimmers from Bombay Shaving Company. कुछ भी मत चुनो, expert की सुनो.
For a man, the pubic hair region is a very sensitive area. Do not use your beard trimmer to trim it down there because it just isn't made for it and also not hygienic. Choosing the right trimmer is extremely essential for removing pubic hair. So take it from the expert. The Landscaper 2.0 from Bombay Shaving Company is a pubic hair trimmer for Generation Next that is perfect for sensitive skin below the waist. Detachable ceramic safety blades, LED light, power button, battery indicator, charging dock, 3, 5 and 7 mm guide comb. The Skin Protect technology ensures that it has safe ceramic blades to avoid nicks and cuts. This next generation trimmer has a battery indicator that lets you know when to charge it again. LED torch and narrow head help in better navigation. IPX7 waterproof technology ensures no damage even when it's wet. Firmly grip the trimmer between the palm of your hand and your thumb. Make sure that your trimmer has enough charge before using it. Adjust the guide comb to the desired length. Stretch your skin and hold it tight. Move the trimmer against the direction of hair growth. Apply post-shave balm to soothe and hydrate your skin down there. Switch off the trimmer. After every use, place the trimmer comb under running water to clean it thoroughly. Use the brush to clean in between the blade caps. Detach the trimmer blade by gently pushing it backwards. Place the trimmer blade under running water to clean it thoroughly. Slide the trimmer blade into the trimmer body and press it back until it fits back into its place. Hand yourself the perfect tool, the Landscaper 2.0, and get to work. Take a good look at yourself and breathe confidently, since the ball now is in your court, gentlemen. The Landscaper 2.0, expert care down there.